Right, thank you, Kyle. Let's do some consumer headlines now this afternoon. The Consumer Product Safety Commission has issued a major recall involving a popular refrigerator brand. Electrolux is recalling more than 380,000 of its Frigidaire side-by-side fridges, the ones with the slim ice buckets. The issue here actually involves the ice bucket. Components, they say, can break, causing plastic pieces to enter the buckets, which, as you can imagine, could be a potential choking or laceration hazard. Electrolux says that they've had at least 343 incidents reported, so this isn't just theoretical here. You can find more information on the CPSC's website on that.